Oh, you done? Oh, okay,
I
okay.
like the song.
You like this song? What you know
Oh,
about this song?
let's see.
You look like you're barely 18. What you know about this song?
Adam Sandler, Little Nicky. It's in another movie too. I just can't think of it.
How old are you?
How old am I? How old are you?
Guess.
33.
Thank you, thank you. You know what? Everyone's been saying that lately. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you no problem, no problem.
So how old
What's
are
your
you?
name, wise guy? Oh, I'm 33.
Oh, okay, okay. That's nice. That's nice. I'm William.
William?
Oh God, that was in my mouth. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. All right, guys, let's win this. What we
Oh,
doing?
be careful. We like that over here, so.
See, if my woman did that to me,
That's the ultimate disrespect.
she get the backhand.
Exactly.
She gonna
You
trip
know
and
about
fall
the
down the
backhand.
stairs. Say,
Rip.
yeah, she's gonna
I
trip and
love
fall
my
down the
husband. He
stairs.
never do that to me.
You need to get your better. You need better internet. That's what you need.
I know, right? Starlink is horrible.
Yo, why can't I smell that through the screen? What the fuck, man? Nah, yo, that's. Please don't do that again. Please don't.
I think
That's.
you like it.
I don't. You'll make me throw up on live. I don't want to do it. I'm already
Bee
sick.
monster. Oh, what's wrong?
Well, I thought I had COVID, but then I think I had a cold, and now I think I have diabetes, and now I think I'm gonna die. So,
Look at that.
anyways,
I mean,
let's go, guys. What we doing? Do you have any kids?
I got
Yeah.
like 8 kids. I lost count. I don't know.
You don't have kids?
Dude, I've seen you before. You've come into my live before. I've burped
Who?
on you before. I know.
Who?
Bee monster, what the fuck?
Oh, yo, can we
That was
win this?
dope.
Someone sniped this. A appropriate
Yeah,
answer. What she
if
say,
you have
Christina?
snipers, you're definitely gonna win.
Someone sniped this. I'll give you $100 if someone snipes this.
DK, what's good, homie? I missed you.
Yo,
I've been
Jay.
streaming about you, man.
Christina, what she say?
Oh,
Well,
thank
anyways, do you have kids?
you. Uh,
Oh, so guys usually so you eat kids.
I swallow all my kids.
I bet you do.
Uh,
Bet you do. Hey, Sarah, how
and
you
then I
doing?
burp them up.
I bet you do. I bet you do.
Oh, you guys are the best. Stop.
Oh, fuck.
What? What are
That's.
you bugging about?
I mean, what kind of music you like?
Mm, really anything.
You like some metal?
Oh, hell yeah. Look.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Let's
Let me know if you
go,
like this.
monster.
Probably never heard the song, but let me know.
Is this metal?
Yeah. Oh, trust me, it is.
Okay, we'll see.
It's gonna shake my whole house.
Why?
I've got to stop doing this. Well, it's gonna
Why?
shake my house.
Why should I ask him if he's a rat, Rick? Metal. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Oh, you
I didn't
that
mean to
kind of
ruin your moment and your
you
time.
like the 10 times metal guy. Like you like that. Can we win this, guys? What are we doing?
Um, I do, I do. I've been to so many rock
You like
concerts,
Slipknot?
metal concerts. I do love Slipknot.
Trend. Wait, Christina. Wow.
All Beat
Whoa,
Monster.
Christina.
I
What the
appreciate
hell?
you. You really didn't have to do
Oh
that,
yeah, get you.
guys.
Oh, Christina. Jesus Christ. What are you doing? Stop making me blush over here.
Oh,
I like Slipknot.
Christina. Stop making them blush, baby. Come on.
Let's go, guys. What we doing? You want to do another one, or you done getting smoked? Guys, make sure you follow Trend.
Yeah.
Wait, yo, Trend. Say something,
But
Trend.
the
Where are
thing
you,
is,
man?
I didn't come to battle. I came to burp. You know what I'm
I
saying?
know.
So anyway, that was cool.